What is going on, guys? Hello. Hopefully you're having a great new year so far. If you're wondering how I'm doing this new year, my answer is I'm not entirely sure why I'm yelling right now. My answer is good though. 2 thumbs up. That's how good it's going. I just gave Mimi a wash, and boy oh boy, you can see her sparkle in the night. Going to get some gas before it gets super dark. I'm not really entirely sure what I'm going to film, so future Nick, good luck. I haven't posted like a recent video in a long time. It's all been reposts from TikTok, or it's all been reposts from, a while ago that I never just was able to finish editing. Yes, I have a girlfriend now. She's so good to me. She's amazing. She deserves the absolute world. Yeah, I've been on a total of 3. No. Yeah, wait, 3? I would say 3 official dates now. Maybe it's 2 because the third one could, I don't know if we like agreed on anything or. Point is, she's my girlfriend. If you don't know who she is, I kind of intend to keep it that way, just because I want to try to keep my private life like as private as I can without hiding from you guys, if that makes any sense. I don't want to hide from you guys. That's why I like doing these moto vlogs. I like talking like this. This is just purely for me as a creator to engage with you guys, and I love doing it. I think it's so much fun, and I know you guys like listening to me talk, which is pretty sick. So this is the type of videos I'm gonna be making, and I'm not gonna deviate from this. Well, I mean, I'm gonna post like edits every now and then because I think they're cool, but yeah, she's so good to me, and I'm really happy, and I'm really looking forward to what the future has in store. Girlfriend content like Nick Talks will be posted, will be filmed, will be made. That is not a question. Like, that will be happening. Now, in terms of how soon will that be dropped, hang on, before I continue talking, let's look at the sunset real quick. Look at that, it's beautiful. The cloud is doing something. So pretty. Yeah, I don't know how soon that'll be happening, just because at least when I go back to school. Right now I'm on winter break still. But as soon as she is done being sick, because she recently got sick, don't know how, she probably kissed some other guy. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Imagine though. I would cry. That's horrible. Nah, yeah, she has, like a sore throat and all that stuff, and it really sucks. So, wishing and praying that she gets better soon so we can film a little bit and kind of formally introduce her to the page and introduce her to you guys and do some like Q&As. Oh, I'm so excited for those. See what Q&As we can do, $5 seems like too much. Just saying. A lot of you have been asking me, do I have a girlfriend now? My answer is yes, I do. I do have a girlfriend now. We are still pretty fresh, but as every relationship is, it's kind of a process. It's kind of a learning game in a way, understanding how to, be with one another and things like that. And I did make a video a while ago, and I posted it on my TikTok. I'm not sure if I posted it on Instagram, but the video entails me not being ready for a relationship, and my reasoning behind that was because of my mentality. Like, I was stuck on being single kind of thing, and that's kind of what's interesting, right? Truly, I don't know. At least, okay, I'll speak on my behalf, right? I don't know if I would have ever been ready for a relationship. Sorry, I'm focused real quick. Oh, I gotta get this number. 1880. It's pretty good. Yeah, I don't know if I would ever have been ready for a relationship per se, but what's cool about my relationship now is no one pursued either person, if that makes any sense. Like, I've always known of her. She's always known of me, and we got introduced through some mutual friends, and it just kind of happened naturally in the way that we connected, the way, the more we hung out with each other, the more we liked and about each other and became more and more interested. It was super organic, super natural. There was no one okay, it just happened extremely organically. Yeah, none of us really pursued the other person. Like, when someone asked who pulled who, you know what I mean? The answer is no one. I didn't pull her, she didn't pull me. I'll let her tell her side of the story, but for me, I was never looking for a relationship with her, nor was I looking for a relationship in general, right? And that's what I'm saying is the cool part is we kind of clicked when we talked more with each other. When I got to learn more about her, she checked off a lot of boxes that I had. And these boxes, I mean, like, in terms of a future partner, like a wife, right? I'm not in the dating scene to mess around. I've never been that person to, for lack of better terms, come and go, you know? I've never been like that, and I never will be like that. So I promised myself that the next relationship that I get into and that I dedicate my time and devote my time into is purely that this would be someone I would marry. Now, that is very extreme, of course. Very, very, like, far in the future. I'm 22, okay? So, in a sense, there is still time. Now, also, in a sense, there is very little time, right? Now that I do have a girlfriend and I am in a relationship, there is a lot of time. But if I was not in a relationship, there is very little time. I don't know if that makes any sense. Point is, it was very organic, her and I. No one tried to get with the other person. We just hung out as friends. And then after hanging out, learning more about each other, getting kind of really deep, really, really quick, we were like, wow, I'm very interested in this person. And we hung out more. We talked more. And it's one of those things where it came down to, if they wanted to, they would. If they wanted to make time to see you, they would. If they wanted to hang out with you, they would. If they wanted to talk to you, they would. If they wanted to go out of their way to buy you coffee and deliver it to your house, they would. It's like one of those things, and it's really cool because she lives by that. Meaning, like, a lot of her mindset's that way, and it's cool because I'm similar in a way, I would say, I think. But yeah, it's just, it feels really natural, feels really comfortable, and again, like I said, she checks off pretty much, if not all, the boxes that I have for somebody I want to potentially marry. It's crazy. It really is, truly. I'm 5'8", she's 5'6", which, in my opinion, wow, the perfect height. I mean, dude, like, hugging is like, just like puzzle pieces. It's like a key in a keyhole. It's like the quad lock on the quad lock mount. It's like a screw into the thing you screw it in. It's like putting your hand in a glove made for you. It's like me sitting on Mimi. What? Hold on. Wait a minute. Point is, it works. It fits. She is so great. Makes my heart feel really secure. Makes me, like, my headspace, like, the whole, makes me feel really secure. And I mean, again, it's still so fresh, and it could 100% be like a honeymoon phase thing, which I don't doubt it at all. But it's just incredible. So, that's all. Hee hee. Had to share a little bit, had to update a little bit. A lot of you have been asking me. Whoa, English, please. A lot of you have been asking me. So, there it is. Now, I forgot what I was gonna say. My brain is broken. Sorry. Yeah, we were, her and I were supposed to do a double date with my boy Damien and his girl. Damien, if you're watching this, Damien, I hope that's your girl now. I'm really happy to see you happy, bro. If she's not, like, your girl yet, make her your girl, bro. Anyway, we're supposed to do a double date yesterday, but my girlfriend got sick with, like, a really, really bad sore throat, and it's like to a point where she can't really sleep at night because it's really hard to breathe. And I had that when I got COVID, you know, this past, like, November. I really hope she doesn't have COVID, but if she does, I want her to get better. I want her to recover really, really quickly. So the quickly she recovers, you know, the quicker she can get on the road with me and backpack, and then we can make content together. But other than that, I just want her to get better, man. But yeah, we were supposed to do that tomorrow. Today is Wednesday, tomorrow's Thursday. But that will be rescheduled and postponed. But backpack content coming very, very soon. Some of you have been asking for it. I will provide it. With that said, I'm not entirely sure what else I wanted to make a video about besides kind of talking about my girlfriend a little bit, because that seems to be my favorite activity for the past, like, 3 weeks. Daily reminder, you probably can't see it. It's on my helmet. You already know what it says. Be nice. Daily reminder to be nice, okay? I love you guys. I'm working on Be Nice stickers. I'm working on Be Nice merch. It's going to be coming out this year. I'm really, really hoping. Still still kind of in the process of everything, okay? Just stay tuned, stay updated with that. Hello, Tesla. How you doing? You're very close. I also wanted to share that my girlfriend is the same as me. She doesn't drink, she doesn't smoke, she doesn't party. And that's perfect. Ooh, this is tight. That's what she said. Pause. Sorry. Dirty joke. Sorry. Tee, sorry. Sorry. This is also tight. Ah! Sorry. I'm sorry. Dirty joke. I'm sorry. It's over now. We're at the front. We made it. Oh my gosh! What a rush! What a rush! Oh, incredible. Oh, so close yet so far. Like it's 30-12 tonight. I want to show you all the finer things in life. Just forget about the world, be young tonight. I'm coming for ya, I'm coming for ya. Brother! You messed up my song flow! Body rock. Oh, I wanna feel your body rock. Oh. Also, my girlfriend is very traditional. Now, what does that mean? It means like, how do you kind of explain it? Like traditional values in a way. So it's like, I don't know. That's kind of all I could say. It's just traditional. And I like that. It's cool. It allows room for me to be the man in a way of the relationship instead of like, oh, how do you say it, dude? It's like, if you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. But for those who don't know what I'm talking about, allow me to try my best to explain here. Traditional values, meaning there is room for the relationship for both parties to do their job in terms of the mom being the mom and the dad being the dad kind of thing, you know? Now, I'm not saying it has to be that way. But for me, that's what I like and I value that a lot, is when both people can do their parts. That's something I value a lot. That's because it just comes from my faith, the way I grew up, you know, things like that. She has those same values as I do. And that makes it really, really amazing, really, really good, because we are able to connect at that level, you know what I mean? Wow, that's just really, really good. I appreciate her a lot. I really, really do. Thank you. That was very nice of them. I believe they beat me to the light. So technically they're supposed to go, but they let me go. So that was very nice of them. Daily reminder, be nice. I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you guys have a really, really great start to your new year. And, you know, thank you for sticking around. Thank you for supporting the content. I love you all. Goodbye. Love you. Mwah.